What's up, Tiny Dream Team? What are you doing today? Well, I know what you're doing. You are here with us, Paul and Tammy, or Mr. Chubby. We are at Phoenix Building Solutions in Greenville, Alabama. Now, before we get started walking through this model, this is called the Vista. You have seen something similar to the Vista when we were down in Sylacauga, Alabama at Atkinson Homes. But this is the Vista 1.0, not the 2.0. We're going to show you this one because we like this one. We love the color choices. But before we get started, let me tell you, I know you're going to have questions. Are there 2x6s in the roof? Are there 2x4s in the walls? What's the R value of this? What are the siding choices? What are this? And they have tons of options. They're all on their website. We're going to put a link to the website and all their information in the description. But also, Mr. Ryan here at Phoenix Building Solutions has done an interview with us. And we're going to link that video maybe up here. It'll say, interview with Mr. Ryan. And you click on that. We sat down, had a talk with him, and asked all these questions, and we got them answered on film. So we're going to have that one video for all the Phoenix homes that we go through. Okay, so I don't have to talk about them as much as we tour through the home. And that way you guys can get what you always want. I see the comments all the time. Stop with the BS. Get to showing the house. Let's get to showing the house. We're in the Vista. This is, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it is a 13x30 or just over that with the porch. This Vista has the porch. Tammy showed you the porch. It is a option. They have 4 or 5 different options on porches. This one has the hog screen at the bottom, screened in at the top, enclosed porch. We're in the living room. You can see it comes with your nice LED fireplace, already set up, thoughtful enough with your TV hookup so you don't have to guess. There's not so many windows in here that you can't put up your own dedicated spot for your television, or they've already done that for you. But we do have 4 nice windows in here. The color choices in here are incredible. We have the brown-looking vinyl. We have beautiful dark green. You think, oh, the dark green is going to close you in. It really doesn't. We're in here with no power. And with all the windows and the light that's coming in, it's really super nice. Plus, the ceiling is finished with the tongue and groove. And they have put the clear coat on that. And it's really just brightens the place up with the white accents, with the white trim, with everything like that. Now, this living area in here, living/dining, is about 8'9", I believe, by, I want to say 12 feet. Let's check. That's 8'9". And that dimension, let me do it from here. 10 foot. So 8'9" by 10'4". So nice, spacious, a little bit over 85 square feet in this living dining space. We don't have the hangover bar, but we still have a bar area. This thing is a little over 5 feet long here, 5'3". And this is a laminate, believe it or not. This is a really nice looking laminate. It gives you that Calcutta marble look. We have plenty of cabinet space in this one. And this one comes with a bonus dishwasher. Full-size dishwasher. Farm sink.
Is that a Lazy Susan over there or no?
That is a not Lazy Susan.
Oh, it's not? Okay.
No, it's a corner cabinet. It has a Lazy Susan style door. Mm-hmm. You've got cabinets up above. You've got a window over your sink. You have, this one has the gas option. A lot of people haven't asked. But if you need a gas option, this is a gas range.
That's nice.
Tammy loves cooking on gas.
It's good for those of you that want to be off-grid, right? Yeah,
off-grid. Over to Tammy's side, to her left side, you'll see this nice extra area. What can you do with that? You let your imagination run wild. This could be a coffee bar. This could be a wine bar. This could be a desk.
Or it could be your table for your table and chairs. You could put 2
small stools
there, and you could eat, and then you can work there.
Yeah, a multi-function area. You've got the electrical outlet there. You've got your switches for your lights, and you get the shelves. Now, the Vista 2.0 that has the loft over this kitchen area, has the ladder here. You may remember that from our video in Atkinson, but it would have that ladder here and then that small cabinet here or open space here. But this is a wide kitchen. That's what I like about Phoenix is they make these kitchens that give you lots of space. 6 foot and 10 inches from this corner over to here. That's a lot of space. That's a 2-butt kitchen.
I believe that you can have them take this scenario out with the tall bar area there in the corner, and it'll be big enough if you want a 4-seater dining table. I think that would fit right there, wouldn't it? Like a little round.
Yeah, you could put a round dining table. Instead. I mean, from right here to the wall is 4 foot 8 inches.
That can't be. It's so hard to do.
At least a 3-seater.
Right.
That's easy for them not to put that in there if you wanted a table in that corner, a corner table.
Exactly.
Let's get on back into here. You do have this really nice pantry, cabinet, spice, whatever you want to use it for, right here. Finished in the same cabinets. Now, I do know for a fact that Phoenix is getting ready to swap out their cabinet menu. Excuse me, I got a little heartburn going. They're getting ready to switch out their cabinet manufacturers. So they may have new cabinet choices in the very near future. But these are still decent cabinets. These are wood front, particle board bases on these. But you can see you've got plenty of space above if you want to run your nice little frou-frou plants and things above the cabinets. You get your microwave. You get your refrigerator. And we've been talking to Phoenix 3-4 hours this morning. They're a very progressive company. They're wanting to become the very best #1 producer RV park models in the country, and they're working towards that end. They will build you custom floor plans at the moment. They will build you homes that they can modify any of these plans within reason that you want, and they can give you options that aren't even listed on the website. You just have to contact them and talk to them, okay? Let's let Tammy walk into this bathroom. This bathroom has a
nothing.
I'm sorry, I was measuring. It has a stand-up shower. It's a 4 foot with a 1 seat.
How about this?
It has
darn, it's
secured for transport.
Secured for transport, but it would be nice to see it.
There's one in there. You'll see it. There's one in the bedroom just like it. Does have a latch for the lock, which some manufacturers forget to do that. But you got your standard toilet and your vanity that matches your kitchen cabinets. It's got your exhaust fan, and it has 2 recessed lights. Same green finish, green and white throughout. And it's not dark at all, really at all. We're in here in the middle of the summer, but you've got plenty of light coming in. We don't have power on. Here's your place for your washer and dryer, stackable. Again, we're dealing with a 30-inch by 30-inch square for those, which is industry standard. We walk on into the master bedroom or the main bedroom or the primary bedroom or the only bedroom. And we have a 100-amp service panel in here. Tammy was talking about in the bathroom, not being able to show you what the doors look like. But this is what they look like to the bathroom. It's just the pocket door to the bathroom is secured for transport. Again, they think far enough ahead to put you a latch on here to secure your privacy. Got your sliding barn door here. This room, plenty of space, 10 foot 4 inches by 8 foot 4 inches. You've got flanking outlets where you can set your bed in here. You have your transom light above, so you could put a big tall headboard if you wanted to have your bed facing this way, which is really the only way to do it in this, unless you flipped it on that wall, which in case you block your egress window. And then this model does give you the closet behind these sliding doors, which are secured, but you can see in there. This closet is just a hair shallow. It's 1 foot 9 1/4. I'd prefer to see another 2 or 3 inches out of that because your clothing may or may not rub the doors as you open and close them. But typically standard, I'd like to see 24 inches on those, but that's just me on the depth of your closet. But they do have the one rail, the closet made shelf hanger, but you could get 2 if you wanted your shirts on the top and your pants on the bottom, as we always say, sort of our trademark. But that is the Vista. You would need to contact them for pricing. Let's talk about that a little bit. Phoenix is a newer manufacturer on the market. They currently have 3 dealers in Alabama only, and they are trying to secure more and more dealers as time goes on. So what they're trying to do is do that, but at the same time, right now, they will sell factory direct to you. Yes, ma'am.
There's one thing I'd like to add. This particular model has the option right now, and it's attached to this house. The Renai tankless water heater is on this one.
Forgot about that. The Renai tankless water heater is on this unit. One thing I forgot, I want to draw attention to. I kind of mentioned it, but I want you to see this. At the narrowest point here in this kitchen hallway combination, that is a little over 2 foot wide. But right here in your working space, where your working space begins, I'm blocking something.
Does it begin at the back of the measuring tape, or does it begin
the back.
The front?
It begins at the back. That is 3 foot 1.5 inches.
Okay.
37.5 inches right here. Look how wide it is. Mr. Chubby can fit in here easy. There's so much space in these kitchens that they build. We even talked about that with Ryan. We're like, you could have made this pantry a little bigger. We talked about different configurations where you pull this wall out, you put a pantry on this side and put shelving on the other side, or put a place for your linen storage too. Because there's so much space. Layout.
Handicap accessibility
right.
if you need that.
We've got another video we're going to show you of an ADU that they made it handicap accessible, 36-inch doors throughout. It's pretty cool. So anyway, we're going to let you go. We thank you for your time. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you're always notified when we post a new video or a new post on our community page. You guys get over and check out that community page. We put a lot of good information on there. Thank you for your time. Hang in there, and we'll see you on the next one.